Hi guys, good morning to everyone. Now is June 16, 2025, Monday. Thank God at last and finally guys, dumating na ang in-order natin na squeeze dispenser condiment containers. 6 pieces guys, 300 ml guys. So tingnan natin guys, tulungan nyo ako guys, mag-unboxing tayo guys. Ito guys oh, wait guys ha. Yan. So ito guys oh, magpapasalamat talaga tayo ni seller guys no, basta maganda ang maganda ang quality. So kasi trending na trending to ngayon guys, so nabudol talaga kami guys para ito ang magamit namin sa bahay guys. So ito guys oh, so I think okay naman siya, trending na trending to ngayon. So kumuha talaga kami guys oh. Sineparate nila guys 3 pieces sa isang pack, 3 pieces. Isa, 1 2 3. So
dili kasya na dili kay gidagmay pod.
Ito naman guys, sa isang pack, 3 pieces na naman. 1 2 3. So ito guys, seller, thank you so much seller. Maganda naman siya. Tapos trending na trending to ngayon. So usong-uso to ngayon. So sabay tayo sa uso guys. Joke. Guys, thank you so much guys sa mga taong palagi lang nag-order sa mga products ko, sa links ko, sa Hello Basket ko. Thank you so much yung trust guys. And good morning to everyone. Guys, who wants to have this guys, just click the add to cart, kasi may choices doon na 3 pieces ba na 300 ml or 6 pieces ba na 300 ml or 3 pieces ba na 500 ml or 6 pieces ba na 500 ml. Tapos mag-a-appear na ang mga prices doon. So affordable lang, hindi kamahalan guys, or mura lang. And guys, good morning to everyone. God bless us all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, seller. Bye-bye, peace.